to Mother Earth, my brilliant heart says thank you for knowing I am a part of you. Thank you for surrounding me and supporting me. Thank you for not ever giving yourself the option to stop teaching me about us. I do love you, I really do. And I want you to write back, but I'm afraid of what you will say. Yet I know that anything you say will be said in love for my protection and my benefit. Maybe one day I will open the letters you've already sent to me. There are so many. Forever yours, Human. Thank you for listening. And again, please watch the video titled A Letter from Mother Earth to My Human Child. And subscribe and turn on your notification bell to see more videos about relationships, about nature, about love's power, and about communication skills. It is free to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Welcome.